Share ko lang guys, I found this on TikTok and wanted to try this. A single piece of coiled DNA is known as a chromosome. What is the biggest planet in our solar system? You all know this, Jupiter. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit equal? It's -40. Which satellite has traveled the farthest from our solar system? It's the Voyager 1, which was launched last 1977, I guess. So it's Voyager 1. A magnifying glass is what type of lens? Concave or convex? Concave is that type of lens na papasok, while the convex is paumbok. And magnifying glass has the type of lens na paumbok. So it's convex. Pure water has a pH level of around, in a room temperature, it is 7. Pero kapag in-expose natin siya sa different factors ng Earth, such as the gases and whatnot, mag-change ang pH level nito. So it's 7. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? At around 78 or 79%, I guess. This was followed by oxygen, so it's nitrogen. What is the largest type of big cat in the world? When we say large animal, kailangan natin i-consider yung density ng muscle nila. So kapag mas dense ang muscle, mas stronger ang animal na ito. And since tiger has denser muscles than lion, so it's tiger. On the periodic table, what symbol stands for silver? Silver in Latin is called argentum, so it's Ag. Yun lang. Bye!